attack. Attack. What them a go do ya now? NEWLINK on the attack now. Attack. Bring a old chain setter. NEWLINK. Attack.
Bless up, my viewers and subscribers. Big up on yourself, you know. You don't know, so the attacking boss, they are NEWLINK from NEWLINK Production. And I mean, say, attack. Some people, a video sent to me recently, my people. And I can't sure if you know, so the voice, not the video, my people. The face maybe, but the voice, and the first now go hear the voice in the video, my people, with officers, you understand, with members of the Jamaica Constabulary Force. You see me? So me go share this video with you before me send no more my people. Then me give them a take pertaining to the video and everything, my viewers and subscribers. Because on a real level, my people, Jaja sees, Jaja knows. So check out this video, my people.
Anyway, what's the purpose of this stuff?
Yes, Constable Kelly, man, you're doing a VCP, checking for illegal drugs, firearm, anything after the care?
You have any, no, you have any reason to suspect that I have any illegal drugs?
Yeah, sir, we're doing a vehicle check.
Understand. So man,
have a real stop and then firearm, dangerous firearm.
Good night, sir.
Yes, sir. Douglas is the name, right?
Yes, we said that.
Yes, sir. We get information that vehicles are traveling this direction with stolen agricultural produce.
Right.
Yes, sir. So we're conducting full check, right?
Yes.
So you mind pulling the trunk?
So you have reason to suspect that this vehicle has
Alright, we never
stolen?
get a description of the vehicle.
Right.
We're making checks.
So you never, so you never get a description. So you believe that this is a vehicle?
Sir,
I'm just trying to defend my rights, that's all.
How will we know?
Again, I am willing to open the trunk for you.
I don't want it to video me,
you can talk to your son. That's what. That's who's that? Inspector McBean or McLean? Which one of them?
I don't want it to video me. That is my right.
No.
And you're violating it.
Believe me, it is my right to video in the public space and I record. Good
yeah,
JSA policy.
Hold on,
yes?
If you send out a video with me, it is my right to
by the way, my name is Jermaine Dunn, by the way.
Okay, sir.
So you know that you're speaking to someone.
So you can pull the trunk for me, please.
So you want me to pull the trunk?
I don't know of you, sir.
You don't know of me?
Okay. You can pull the trunk for me, please. Pull the trunk for me, please, sir.
So,
a constable is giving you a command.
like I said, listen, like I said, if you believe you have reason to suspect, go ahead and open the trunk. No, the trunk you cannot go and freeze it. I am not consenting to you searching my vehicle, sir. I am not.
You don't have to consent.
Oh, I don't.
I got information. So therefore you need to comply.
What's
you
your
will
name
be
again, by
charged
the way?
for Douglas.
What kind of Douglas? What's your first name?
Douglas is mine.
What's your first name?
Carlos Douglas.
Carlos Douglas.
Yes,
and your ID number, your badge number, your ID number?
Number 22555.
Okay.
All right. Sir.
So you feel like you want me to open my trunk?
Yes,
Be reminded that I'm not waiving any rights.
I am not waiving your rights either. I'm asking
and I have the right to freedom of movement. All of my constitutional rights are reserved.
Yes, sir.
Just please note that.
In which it can be infringed upon.
If you have reasonable and articulable grounds.
Yes, sir.
All right, cool. So remember, here's the trunk. If you feel like you want to go in there, ply it off. I am not opening it freely.
All right,
so ply it off.
Documents and driver's
ply it off if you like.
Hold on.
Flight.
Hold on. You can go to the station. Okay.
I know.
Yeah, man. So therefore, take the key from the motor vehicle and go to the station. Can securely lock it? Yes, sir.
Yes.
If you provide identification or complaint.
No. I'm not failing to provide anything to you.
Yes, sir.
No, I'm not.
You are.
I am not. Okay. Be reminded I am not. Okay.
Yeah, man, we don't talk. Right, right.
Yes. Be reminded I am not. So if you want them, you can get them.
If I refuse, he's refusing.
Refusing what? Refusing what? Remember I'm recording. There's no refusal here.
I am warning you.
Yeah, come along. So what do you want, sir? Tell me what you want. Come. Hello. Under the threat of anything at all, I will give you what you want. So sit here. No, man. Sit here. Take it. Sir. No. Take it. Here you go.
Say name Jermaine Dunn.
Yes. Here is my license if you like it.
Come on. You refused already.
Hey, I am giving it to you. Here it is.
Mr. Dunn.
Here is my license.
Where you live, sir? Where you live?
Sir, if you want my license, none of that, you can take it. Oh, you don't want it?
If the instructions you fail to comply and you
so nothing wrong with that. Right. So you don't want the license? No, sir. Alright, cool. Send it someone's come.
You will get it.
Send it come. Let me see. May I see the vehicle number, please? Excuse me. You can step away, let me see the vehicle number. Thank you. Send this someone. Come on, wait, no one like this long time.
Yeah,
what's your name, officer?
You get it, sir. Driver.
Who is the driver of this vehicle?
Driver.
Yes, sir.
You're a civilian.
And I am a civilian, that is verse in the law. And a student of the law, so go ahead.
Okay.
Yes, and your name is?
And I'm Shane Lee.
Ashane Lee. Okay. I didn't get your name, officer. What's your name? No, man, this officer told me his name, not this one. What's your name?
Kellyman.
What kind of Kellyman?
Constable Kellyman.
And your ID, your badge number, your ID number?
24507.
Thank you very much.
I remember, you know, if you send out a video with me, you
Man,
will speak to my life.
man, just stop in Isaiah, man, and this is Jeremy and done. Here's the vehicle. And we're in the Manchiel area. Send it, come. Ask me if I can see the badge number.
Finish with your kindly proceed.
And I just want to see the badge number, that's all. So we can't see the badge number, we can't get the name.
Sir, the officer told you his name already.
I did not hear his name.
Well, he told you. That
So
is
you
not
can't-
our
can you
fault.
repeat the name?
Go ahead, sir. We
And
are
your
finished
name,
with
big
you.
son, we can write
We are
back
through
as a
with
man.
you. We are through
Yeah,
with
but
you,
I want to
sir.
send back as a man. So
Continue
ask
on
me
your
for the name.
journey. We are through with you.
Alright, let me see the vehicle number because of the things that jokes up this. You're a tyrant behavior otherwise. We have your name.
Alright, enjoy your stay.
Someone, just remember that.
Alright, safe
Get
travel.
my someone.
No problem.
Well, my viewers and subscribers, me know now we no saying on yourself, yes, for sure, and the first NEWLINK, and the first I'm hearing this voice NEWLINK. Me know for sure, but me are telling you the truth, my people. You see this brother here, on a real level, you see this brother here, honestly, him no make sense to me, my people. And him just immature, you understand, that's how me can fit it. That's how me can say it, my viewers and subscribers. He's so immature, him not ready yet. And on a real level, him need to give the officers them a break. You see me? Enough is enough. You see me? We have seen him more than once talk about him constitutional right, for sure. You understand? But my people, come on, man. Why does it make sense? Because we have a smartphone with a camera upon it, and we have a voice, or because of your constitutional right. You behave every time you can just deal with the officers them and keep up people time and waste time. No, simple thing. Yes, you may have your constitutional right, yes, but look at it. The officers then tap it. Just comply, no, man. Simple. You know you don't have nothing in your car, simple. Open your car trunk, make the officers look in there, done with the case, gone. You understand? But when you didn't want to build argument and this and that, brother, you only make you look stupid. You understand? Before the first time we back you, the second time maybe me back you. But for now, honestly, I'm not with you, brother. You see me? I'm not. You know what I mean? Respect is respect, brother. You see me? Respect is respect. It's a simple matter, bro. You see me? Recently that day, my people, me a drive. Police stop me. Me try to explain myself. Them say whatever me breach this, me breach that. Then give me a ticket. What me a go do? Go fight and make argument with them hour. You know what I mean? Me just say, you know what? To make my idea go good, you know. And to keep up my time and go about my business. You know what? I take a ticket, my people. I go pay the fine, and that is it. Jaja sees, Jaja knows. If you go to court, go fight it, more go to court. I mean, I have time for that, my people. You understand? Sometimes, people, in our life, we just have to make things flow. You see me? Not because, brother, you have a smartphone with a camera upon it, and you got to talk about your rights over and over. Meaning, so you can't waste people time. The officers are there doing their job, brother. And the man them deal with us so good, you know. The man them give us some decent explanation, you know. And if some officers they run away, you know, me I tell you the truth, you know. That's why people on a real level, boy, I was thinking before, say, join the defense force, join the constabulary force, you understand, one of them. And when me look into myself, my people, honestly, me never bother make that move there, you understand? Because when me see situation and how things go, man, it not easy. It's not that easy back to feel out them people. You understand? Especially in our country. Because some people then just, because of certain thing, then just not respect my people. And respect is respect, man. It's a simple thing. You see me? It's a simple thing, you know, my people. All the man of his taste a boom and do. It's so easily. Just comes a boom, fly the chunk. You understand? Officer acts your driver's license, boom, give it to them. Go about your business, and then driver make your video and say, boy, it seem like the police them have me as a time. But when you did it now, with your phone and this and that and attack and behave certain way and this and that and that. You know what I mean, youth? Them need to teach a lesson. Honestly, them need to teach a lesson. You know what I mean? And I hope say them give you a ticket. You understand? Me hope them give you a ticket just to prove something to you. You know what I mean? Just to prove something, man. You know what I mean? Not because all the while, brother, you got us forward and deal with things. So, you know, I mean, can guarantee, say, most of the people in the comment section right now, them are going to agree with me. You understand? Some of them who definitely just have a hatred for police, them definitely are going to agree with you. You see me? But on a real, if you be realistic, my people, when officers wrong, them wrong. And when law-abiding citizens wrong, them wrong. Truth is the truth. We can't be a hypocrite to the thing, my people. And if we play a certain way, we are going to play like we're a hypocrite. And me now going to be a hypocrite. Me just going to be truthful and talk the truth. You understand? Him not deal with the thing right. You see me? Him not deal with the thing right. And I see you deal with things, brother. You see me? Respect the man, them. Yeah, keep up there. You know, while the time you there, you understand the officers, them explain, say, certain things happen. Them not say you deliberately is the person or the perpetrator who them are look for. But still, them are do them work. You understand? Spot check, them are do them work. It's a simple thing. The time while you there, keep up them time. The man, them could have stayed so boom, and gone about them business long time. You understand? And maybe the real perpetrator who did it, they would have get to catch him. But because you did it now with the slackness and your foolishness now, and I keep up time, them not get to do what them to do. You understand? Come on, man. It's a simple matter. It's a simple thing. Sometimes, you understand? It's a simple matter, simple thing. You know what I mean? But some people are just totally different. Totally different. Let me tell my people. Totally different. You see me? Yeah, man. Totally different. But you don't know the thing of my viewers and the subscribers. They are in the morning, you understand? Driving through on this road, yeah? And I'm telling them, my people, life is a hell of a thing. You know, it's a hell of a thing. I need to do a video on a topic, you know, because something just happened while I'm driving, my people. Just because I record, but drive me, I drive on a record. You know what I mean? Drive me, I drive a record. And me I show you, say, life is a funny thing, people. Life is a funny thing. And me just go now highlight what me I show now I go on in the morning. And me I drive my people. You see me? And they look a black man, you know. Because there's an intersection where me come out, you know, because of traffic, you know. And the black man they then fly in, you know. You understand? And he would never stop to give me a chance. You see, they look a white color man, him put for him vehicle and stop it in the road to give me a chance. You see me? Just the other day a black man, you know what I mean, tell a lie for me. You see me? And a white man butt in and say, look here, it's lie I tell. So, in this world, my people, a lot of people have things to say about races with white and this and that. But honestly, people, you don't go like that because we own color. They're more wicked sometimes to we than even the next color. Me I tell you the truth, my people. So that's why I'm in a vibe when some people talk about white people do white people that. No, me respect everyone. Once you real with the thing, people, you could have black, white, pink, purple, or any color. I'm hoping you all think the same way. Have a blessed and productive day, my people, and just keep safe and just do the right thing. And you, brother, attack for you. No joke, you never get it. Attack for you. Respect the officers, them. Comply and do the right thing. Peace out, my people. Stay safe and remember to do like, do share, do comment, do subscribe. Follow me on Instagram, NEWLINK Production Official, TikTok, Facebook. One team, one dream, one scheme, one attacking boss. Blessings. Peace out. Attack.